Blackbird Editor has many features that use left and right mouse and trackpad clicks. These right-click gestures enable extended or alternate functionality. Right-click gestures are also available as keyboard modifiers. For the Mac, Command, also known as Apple Click, as well as Alt Click. For Windows, Alt Click or Windows Click. Left click is used for predictable functions such as selecting, double-clicking, or dragging. Right-click acts as a standard modifier to access contextual menus in the Blackbird file browser window. These menu items are all dependent on where you click. Right-clicking on an empty space reveals the basic folder menu items. Right-clicking on an item, such as a folder, edit, or source clip, will present menu items that are relevant to those items. There's an option for selecting the folder menu even if an item is selected. There are numerous uses for the right-click modifier for extended or alternate functionality. Here are some important left and right-click examples. When you have organized your content with many folders, this can include folders within folders, where you could end up with a deep folder structure. If you close your window and left-click to the toolbar's Files window, it will open that window at the top level. If you right or modify click, the Files window will open in the last folder location you were using, even if it was buried deep within other folders. Leaving gaps in your timeline is achieved by left-clicking on the Gaps button. To close the gaps, right-click on the same button. Marking on a source or timeline can be done by left-clicking the arrow. Jumping to the mark is achieved by right-clicking the same arrow. And as a final example, zooming into your timeline or navigation bar uses multiple left clicks to zoom in and right clicks to zoom out. Additionally, your help menus will show you where left clicks and right clicks are applicable. There are so many other left and right click options, so feel free to explore.